Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Everyone, welcome to Alan Studio tutorial 46, and today's topic is how to add a breathing node animation in an Oracle architecture diagram in Alan Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the page you would be redirected to is your workspace page. Over there you need to select cloud architecture as a feature, and the next page you would be redirected to the cloud provider selection. Please select Oracle because in this tutorial we are discussing about Oracle diagrams. I have already generated the diagram for my use case. My use case is multi-region active passive architecture in Oracle, and this diagram just got generated in next 15 to 20 seconds. So today we are talking about the breeding node or animation, and this is all about that you would get dashed edges and a dot would flow around these edges. You can increase or decrease the size this way. If you want to change the color this way, you can increase the glow color from here. You can increase or decrease the glow intensity from this bar. You can increase or decrease the border width using this. You can increase or decrease the animation speed using this. You can increase or decrease the breath intensity using this. You can increase or decrease the dot size using this bar. So basically, adding a breathing node animation in AILN Studio helps you highlight key elements and make your diagram more visually engaging. So this is it for